In today's video, I am going to show you 3 ways to back up WhatsApp messages. Let's dive into the video. Open the WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Go to Chats. Go to Chat Backup. As you can see, you can back up like this. Just simply click on Backup. To do that, you need to select the email address that you need to back up. Like that, you can back up your chat. Second method is simply back from here. Go to Transfer Chats. Here you can transfer your chats to another phone. You can do that via cable or through Wi-Fi. To do that, you need to give permission like this. In third method, you don't have to do anything. If you don't know your phone is saving backup without knowing you, all you have to do is to find it. Let's see how to find those files. Go to your file manager like this. Search WhatsApp. Go to this file. Now follow along with me. Backups. Here you can see there is a files even saved today. If you can see, today is December 8th. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.